Okay, so we're going to remove the radiator for this vehicle because it's leaking. So first we're gonna have to remove the bumper, right? That's the first thing to do, remove the bumper in order for us to access the radiator, which is this one here, right? So that's the first thing we have to do. Alright, here we are at the bottom. As you can see, there was a leak. The leak is here somewhere between the plastic and the aluminum. That's, I guess, known problem with this car. Yeah, so we're gonna remove all the screw on the side and screw in the side, and it should be able to come up very easy. And so make sure you drain the coolant first. There is a plug in there that you can drain before you take this out, so you don't make a mess. All right, so bumper is off. Now we have access to the radiator. Next we're going to take the condenser first. It says it seems like it just snap into the radiator itself. So once we take the condenser, and then we're gonna have to get this bracket off. There's some kind of locking mechanism in here, and then yeah, you see that? So you're gonna have to pry this with the screwdriver. At the same time, you can pry on the back. There you go. Alright. But before we do that, you'll have to take the condenser off. Take this wiring off. Alright, so here it is. Condenser is off. Kind of slide it from this clip here. Slide it up. Right. There's a clip there. Remember the clip here too. Clip here too. Now we're ready to get this clamp, the hose clamp, off. Okay, here it is. So all the hoses, top and the bottom, all the hoses is off. So all you have to do is just move this condenser a little bit away. Should be able to pop this off like this. So there is still a line here for the automatic transmission. You have to let go. Alright, so the radiator is off. So this is what you get, right? So here's the leak that I had here in the bottom here. It's more known, very common issues, I guess. But that's already off. As you can see, I even broke the clip or the spring. So yeah, that's what it is. So now put the new one. So put the coolant in, get the engine warmed up, right? And yeah, it's done. No leaking. Make sure there's no leak, and put everything back.